Mid-afternoon is here as we get ready to enter the last weekend of January. It is January 23rd, 2026. CN Hayes here. Almost near the 1440 mark as I'm coming to you from West Ladysmith along the Canadian National Spirits on Main and Outpost 128.8 with a video lined up for you. Just had a power move departure for a northbound sand load, and that was today's S773 81 of the 23rd. And the 3313 just saw its final day assigned to the L519 today, and is going to be the leading unit to do the honors for the northbound trip to Swan Landing, Alberta, Canada. For the westbound power move departure, we had the return of the MEI rebuild of the 3122, previously GECX 2033, did the honors for the westbound move, and that's going to be placed as rear DPU on that northbound sand load. And in the middle was SD75I 5740 that decided to show up as well. So how about that? So that's going to do it for the power mode departure of today's S773 81 of the 23rd. And we'll do it for that MEI rebuild of the 3122, the SD75I of 5740, and the AC44C6M of the 3313 that was previously -92564. That will be the last time that I'll see that locomotive now. And we'll do for this video West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin, begin the last official weekend of January. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. You have a great weekend as well. CN Hayes out.